Happy Hispanic Heritage Month. My name is Jayleen. I'm a process system safety engineer in the Nuclear and Chemical Safety Group out at the site. I've been at the site for about 2.5 years. I was previously in project controls. Since my time at the site as both a Bechtel and Amentum employee, I've been involved in our employee resource group, Familia, where our goal is to celebrate diversity across the project, both site and in town. I'm currently the professional development chair. So my family is from Michoacan, Mexico, and one of my favorite recipes growing up is flan. I'm going to be sharing a recipe with a little bit of flair. It's my favorite. It's cheesecake flan. If you don't like cream cheese, you can opt out and make it a regular one, but I hope you enjoy it. A special tip for you is if you want to enhance the flavor of your dish, you can add a little bit of vanilla bean paste instead, or for your next party, you can make a tequila whipped cream. Just make sure it's not a work potluck. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe, and happy Hispanic Heritage Month. I hope to see you involved in our events. Thanks.